Hello po, good day po sa inyong lahat at sana'y nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan at patnubayan po ng ating poong may kapal ang bawat isa sa atin. The Mr. Bohol 2024 competition has recently concluded, showcasing some of the finest and most talented young men from the province. The winners of this prestigious event have demonstrated not only their physical appeal but also their intelligence, talent, and commitment to community service. The title of Mr. Bohol 2024 was awarded to Jose Emmanuel Plaza, known for his striking looks and charismatic presence. Jose impressed the judges with his confidence and eloquence during the question and answer segment. He also showcased his versatility through a memorable performance in the talent portion, where he exhibits his skills. His advocacy focuses on environmental conservation, emphasizing the protection of Bohol's rich natural heritage. The Mr. Bohol Pageant 2024 has recently crowned its winners, celebrating the best of Bohol's male youth. This year's title holders, Jose Emmanuel Plaza, James Howard Saldia, and Aaron Yans de Castro, have distinguished themselves not only through their impressive physics or physical appearances but also through their intelligence, talent, and dedication to various advocacies. Jose Manuel Plaza, hailing from municipality of Lila, clinched the title of Mr. Bohol Dagohoy. His win is a testament to his charisma, confidence, and strong stage presence. Jose impressed the judges with his articulate answer during the Q&A segment and showcased his diverse talent in the competition. His advocacy revolves around environmental conservation, emphasizing the needs to protect Bohol's unique ecosystems and promote sustainable living practices. James Howard Saldia from Municipality of Baclayon was named Mr. Bohol Sikatuna. James stood out with his athletic build and commanding presence in both the swimwear and formal wear segments. He is passionate about education and aims to use his platform to advocate for better educational opportunities and resources for the youth in Bohol, believing that education is the key to a brighter future. Aaron Yans de Castro of Tagbilaran City earned the title of Mr. Bohol Tamblot. Aaron's modeling skills and eloquent responses captured the hearts of the audience and judges alike. His advocacy focuses on mental health awareness, stressing the importance of mental well-being and supporting initiatives that provides mental health resources and education to community. These winners of Mr. Bohol 2024 exemplify the modern qualities of gentleman: handsome, talented, and socially responsible. They are set to represent Bohol with pride and bring attention to the province's rich cultural and natural beauty on both national and international stages. The first runner-up is another standout contestant with his athletic build and captivating smile. He excelled in swimwear and formal wear segments. He is passionate about youth empowerment and aims to use his platform to inspire young people in Bohol to pursue their dreams and make positive changes in their communities. And second runner-up captured the audience's attention with his modeling prowess and articulate responses. He advocates for mental health awareness, emphasizing the importance of emotional well-being and achieving overall health. Maraming salamat sa inyong walang sawang suporta. Hinihiling ko ang inyong tulong sa pag-like, pagkomento at pagbahagi ng aking munting channel. Pagpalain kayo ng may kapal sa inyong kabutihan at pagmamalasakit. Bye-bye!